Oh, Jesus. What is this? Hello everybody, my name is uNkOwN and welcome back to my first gaming video. Wow, of all games, it had to be TOCA KITCHEN, whatever that is. I have no clue what this is, but let's get started. This is not going to be very fun. Oh, we're in. Pepper? Huh? Jesus! Do you speak alien? I didn't even know what that was. What? There's so much stuff in here. God. You want a testicle? A tentacle. A tentacle, not a testicle. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get so demonetized. I don't even make money yet. How would I get demonetized? uNkOwN, you're stupid. Deep fry it. There you go. Barely even deep fried. If you like that, I swear to God. Yes, it's hot. Burn, burn. I hope you burn. You're disgusting. I don't like you at all. Okay, what else do we have? Blender! Blend, blend, blend. What is this? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a water faucet. Ooh. You get spicy lemon water. That sounds extremely disgusting. Yes, I hope you burn. Now drink. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna put a bunch of crap in here. Wait, I want a sausage in there too. Oh my God, that's all raw meat. Boop and boop. That's disgusting. You like that? What the? Are you serious? You spit that all in my face? Okay, I had to get rid of that girl. I literally just threw her out the window. Anyway, let's try another guy. Oh, okay. Pepper shaker. I like it. Jesus! Happened again. For Christ's sake. I'm gonna make an actual meal for him. Raw fish. Oh, you won't eat it raw. That's great. Okay, so. There we go. Okay. Okay, what are we going to do? Let's boil it. Okay. In Britain, we have something called tea and crumpets. Just kidding, that's a joke. Frankly, I don't even know what crumpets are. Like corn? You want corn? Corn on the cob? Strawberry. Take one of those. Watermelon. Take one of those. take this, take that, take this, take that, take that, take that, take that, take an onion, take that, take this, take whatever this is, oh, you will take that, take that, take that, take that, take that, take that, take that. You selfish little... I'm just gonna blend this thing out for him. I want to watch the world burn. Seriously though, this is gonna taste so spicy. You know, let's throw a shrimp in there. Why not? Why not? A shrimp, just nothing but a shrimp. Oh, and raw meat with the bone, raw chicken, bone and everything. Maybe needs a little bit more lemon. Yeah. Shut your gosh darn mouth. Drink. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and leave this episode here. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face. Yeah, also, subscribe and you'll get a free cookie. Yes, I'm looking at you who's watching the video right there. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Oh my god, editing is gonna take forever. I so don't want to do this. But anyway, enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. What am I doing?